Okay, so let's talk about making large numbers. So normally we add "and" before the last numbers. So "and" does play a role in the numbers here and there. So we have 100, 100, very nice, or 100, 100 or 100. Interchangeable, but 100 is probably a little bit more accurate. 100, how much did it cost? How much? 100. Or 100. Interchangeable. 100. Give me 100. Yeah, very nice. 100 and 1. 101 and 101. Very good. 200. 200. But do not add S. It's not 200s, 2's 100, 200s, 200. Just 200. 200. Nice and simple. 200. I have 1000. But what I like to do, now we're talking 4-digit numbers. 4-digit. See, these are 3, and this one now is 4. So I like to add a comma after the third digit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1000. 1000. 1, 2, 3, 1000. Very good. 1000 and 100. 1000 and 200. 1200. 1250. So 1250. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1250. Very nice. So again, look, 101, 110, 150, 152, 111, 121. 1000, so 1200, 250, and 50. Very good. But then, so we had this 4-digit, so 3, 6, 7, so 7-digit. So we can go from 1000, saying, so 1000 here, say 10,000. 10,000, or 100,000. 100 with three zeros, 10 with 3 zeros, 23 3 zeros, 23,000, 10,000, 100,000, 100,000, and 7, 1 million. Again, look, a comma every 3 digits, comma, comma, 1, 1 million, 1,100,000, 1,500,000, 1,250,000. So 1 million, comma, 250, comma, 1, 2, 3. 1,250,000. 250,000. Very nice. 1,500,000. 1,500,000. Here's the 500. There's the 1,000. There's 3 zeros. 1,000. Very good. And again, every 3 digits a comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Very nice. 1,500,000. Or we could say 1.5 million, 1.2 million, 1.3 million, 1.5 million, 1.2 million, 1.3 million. It's the same, 1.5, 1.6, 1.8. But when you say that, 1.8, 1.3, we don't normally say 1.35, unless you're being specific. 1.35, 1,350,000. 1.35, just 1.3, 1.4, 1.456. Oh, very specific. The more numbers you add, when you say point, you might as well say the actual full number, 1.5 million. So let's look at this one. 200 million. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3. 200 million. Very good. 200 million. Very useful. Very good. But this one here, this is where it gets nice and crazy. 201,300,777. 201,300,777. 201 million, it gets really long, like a whole sentence. 201,300,777. 201,300,777. We could put and also here as well. And 201,377. 300,000 and 7,700. 777. 201,300,000 and 777. So you can put it there if you want, but normally it goes at the very end. 201,300,777. But if you put an and there, and here and there, native speakers will get you. But this is why you write the digits. 201,300,777 over writing it out. Writing it out will take ages. So do the digits. 201,300,777. Perfect. Very nice. So remember, the and goes in places, and we're breaking it down. 100, 100, 2,000, 1,250, 1,500,000, 200 million. We're breaking it down. 201,300,000 and 777. Very good. Break it down in groups of 3. 3, 3, 3. And then between every group of 3 add a comma. Comma, 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 comma. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Let's keep going.